Hi everyone, welcome back to another AI tutorial. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to use a powerful AI image generation tool, Styler AI. We will explore its image-to-image and text-to-image features to generate stunning images. Styler AI also has a generative field feature which we will use to edit an image similar to Adobe Firefly. Please support my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's get started. Styler AI is revolutionizing the way we create and experience art. Styler AI is a new AI that empowers users to generate and edit images in creative ways. It is also an online image editor. This tool has a text-to-image capability and can turn your ideas into images based on text prompts. Using image-to-image capabilities and machine learning, Styler AI can transform ordinary images into artistic masterpieces. Styler AI also includes a unique feature called Generative Fill, which is similar to the recently introduced Adobe Firefly AI feature in Photoshop. Generative Fill allows you to use AI to edit and modify individual elements of your images with incredible precision. By taking advantage of the Generative Fill feature, Styler AI can remove backgrounds from photos and integrate multiple elements into composite images efficiently. To get started with Styler AI, new users simply need to sign up on the website and create projects within the interface. We visit the Styler AI website. We create a free user account and login. In Styler library section of the Styler website, various styles are seen and categorized by a number of tags. For example, when you click on the Portrait Photography tab, the styles related to portrait photography are displayed. Similarly, if you click on the Interior Design tab, the styles related to interior design are shown. Continuing, when you click on the Character Design tab, the styles related to the character designs are displayed. By clicking on the All tab, all styles can be viewed at once. To use Styler website feature such as image-to-image and text-to-image, we first need to create a project. To do this, click on the New Project icon. Here, enter a name for the project. Set the aspect ratio to 16:9 and adjust the project dimensions to 1280 x 720, or you can go as per your needs. Then click on Apply. In the free account, you are given 200 free tokens, which is a considerable amount. This credit is valid for 1 week, after which it will be recharged. The next recharge date for your account is also listed alongside the credit amount and tokens. To convert text to an image, click on the Text to Image button. Here, in the Choose a Style section, you can select a style from the available options. In the following prompt section, you can type your ideas into text format. Now, click on the Sterilize button. After a short while, thumbnails of 4 images generated based on the prompt are displayed. By hovering over these thumbnails, you can see the images in a larger size. Select these thumbnails and then by clicking on the Place on Canvas button, these images are added to your workspace. On the top right, we have a panel called Layers, similar to what exists in Photoshop for managing layers. There is an eye icon next to each layer for toggling visibility. By right-clicking on each layer and selecting the Delete option, you can remove unwanted layers and images. By selecting each layer, an important toolbar is activated. With tools such as Select Background Removal and Generative Fill, I will explain how to use this feature later in this video. First, with the eye icon, you activate the layer you want to save. With the Export button, you can save the image of the selected layer. By clicking on the file type list, you can choose between JPEG and PNG image formats. In the Upscale section, a drop-down list is provided to increase the image size up to twice the size for the free panel. However, to increase of 3 and 4 times the size, you need to upgrade and use paid panels. In the free account, watermarks are added to images. To remove them, you need to upgrade and use paid panels. After that, just click on the Export button and now the image is saved. Like this way, you can generate images using text prompts in different styles. I want to share some helpful tips with you about writing a prompt. When preparing a prompt to generate images with AI, it is important to be very careful. A prompt that uses clear words and provides brief yet informative explanations will help the AI produce better images. Providing more details about your idea in a textual prompt describing it fully and accurately will result in generated images that are closer to your concept. Be sure to include words about the color and mood of the image in the prompt. Use simple language and understandable keywords in the prompt. Definitely mention the lighting conditions and atmosphere of the scene and image in the prompts. Specify styles like cyberpunk, anime, 3D cartoon and more in the prompt. You can even include details about camera lens, shutter speed, ISO and aperture in the prompt so the images are generated based on those parameters by the AI. By following these tips, the AI will produce images that are fully customized and personalized for you. In the image-to-image process, we can alter all elements present in an image, even changing the style of an image to forms such as cartoons, anime, 3D and more. First, click on the new project. Here, enter the name of the project, set to the aspect ratio and dimensions, and then click on the Applied button. A new workspace is created. Click on the Import Image button. Select an image from the hard drive and then upload it. After a short while, the image is uploaded and displayed on the workspace. Click on the Image to Image button. In the prompt box, by clicking on Auto Prompt, the Styler AI analyzes the image and converts its content into text. If you are not satisfied with the prompt text, you can click again on Auto Prompt to generate a newer explanation about the image. You can also manually type the prompt text. You increase the structure match parameter. This refers to the ability to adjust how closely the generated image matches the original composite input in terms of visual structures and elements. The algorithm can tune how similar the output image is to the input in aspects like object placements, colors, and overall composition. This allows the user to control the level of accuracy and detail in the generated image compared to the visual structure and content of the input. In the Choose a Style section, you select a style from the list that you want the new image to be generated based on. After that, click on the Sterilize button. After a short while, thumbnails of a new images are displayed. The remaining process is similar to the text-to-image feature to save image. Click again on the Image to Image button if you are not satisfied with the results and repeat the process, or you can check different styles. In Styler AI, there is a feature called Generative Fill similar to what exists in Photoshop, allowing to edit and modify all elements of an image. This makes Styler AI a powerful online image editor. Click on New Project. After creating the image by text-to-image or image-to-image feature, add them to the workspace. Turn off layers and images that you don't need. When a layer is in selection mode, a toolbar appears above it. Click on the Selection tool option. Select the area in the image for modification. After selection in the new toolbar, choose the Generative Fill option. A new box opens to input the prompt. Type in any changes you want to occur in the selected area. Here, I enter the word smile to change the mouth expression to a smile. I click on the Generate option. 4 new images are generated. By clicking on their thumbnails, you review them. If the images and changes were not satisfactory, you click on the Refresh option to generate new images. By toggling the visibility icon, you compare the previous image with the new image and the changes. Using this method, you can utilize the Generative Fill feature to edit and modify images. I hope this tutorial helped you discover some cool things about Styler AI. If you enjoyed it, hit that like button and subscribe to stay tuned for more fascinating AI content. Thanks for watching and see you next time for another AI adventure. And remember, the future of AI is bright and we are all part of it.